Hi there, my name is Becky, aka the Mocha Foodie Gardener and Gardens Ambassador. As you all may know, growing with Rise Gardens is very fun and rewarding. I've been having a blast trying different recipes with everything that I've been growing in my gardens. One of my newest ventures has been growing a variety of herbs to make my own herbal tea. Now, I just love a nice soothing tea when I have a bit of a cold or just simply want to relax. You can make herbal teas with dried or fresh herbs using flowers, leaves, and some stems. I also like to get a bit adventurous and mix and match my flavors. A perfect combination to help with anxiety and relaxation are lavender herbs, which have a lovely floral taste, and mixing that with chamomile, which has a bit of a sweet apple flavor. Now, I prefer to use dried flower buds for this one. When using dried herbs, I like to get reusable tea bags and add the loose flowers. Let them steep for about 5 minutes, top them off with fresh chamomile flowers if you like, and you're in for a nice calming drink. Another herb that I like, which is great when you have a bit of a sore throat, is rosemary. I find that rosemary has a bit of a woodsy flavor with a hint of pepper and mint. Start off by making a syrup by boiling a bit of sugar and water, or simple syrup. Allow the rosemary to simmer for about 5 minutes or so. You can add this to hibiscus tea, which has a nice light cranberry flavor. And this tea is served great hot, but I also like to have it iced. One last combination is a mix of fresh sage, which has an earthy yet sweet flavor, and a bit of fresh mint. I like to add stevia as a sweetener if you're looking to cut back on your sugar intake. Now, one tip when using fresh leaves is to whack them together between your hands to allow the aromatics to release. I hope you all found this video helpful and decide to try these teas or experiment with your own combinations. Thanks for watching.